Hey guys, welcome to my channel Molecular Makeup. Today I'm starting a new series on my channel called Fun Friday. So every Friday I will upload a video either creating looks inspired by movies, scenery, TV shows, characters, etc. Or I'll just be reviewing a product just to have fun. So there won't be a lot of chemistry in these videos. I might sprinkle a little bit here and there, but these will mostly just be me having fun playing with makeup. And then I'm also starting a series on Mondays called Molecule Mondays, and every Monday I will upload a video breaking down one ingredient in either makeup, skincare, or supplements. And I will also upload other videos in between that as I have time, but you can look forward to every week the Molecule Mondays and Fun Fridays from my channel. So for the first Fun Friday video, I decided to create a look inspired by Stranger Things because I'm so excited for the third season to come out next week. I ended up going with this red and black kind of smoky eye to kind of mimic the theme of the title for Stranger Things. So that's why I decided to go with this color theme with the sort of smoky red eye. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. I'm using the Pat McGrath Bronze Seduction palette. This is an expensive palette. I don't feel like you have to use this. You can use any eyeshadow palettes for this. But I absolutely love this red shade here, and I think it will be perfect for this look inspired by Stranger Things. And I'm just going to work slowly to try to prevent fallout. But I am putting this on my entire lid and just packing very small packing motions to try to avoid fallout as much as possible. And I'm putting just a couple of layers on just to ensure that the entirety of the lid is covered. I want this to be very opaque. Now dipping into the lightest brown shade in the palette, I am just working that in my crease above where I laid down the red shade, and I'm just blending that up and outward toward the arch of my brow bone. And also taking it a little bit on the inner portion of the crease, but blowing it out toward the brow bone. So hopefully you can see the shape I'm creating here. It goes to the highest peak toward the arch of the brow. Now dipping back into the red shimmery shade from the Pat McGrath palette, I am smoking that underneath my lower lash line. Then taking a fluffier brush with that same brown shade and just smoking it out just a little bit more underneath the lash line. Now taking the shade Black Hole from the Jeffree Star Alien palette, I am just lightly starting to pack that on the outer corner. Build it up slowly instead of packing on too much at once to avoid it looking too harsh. You can always add more, but it's more difficult to take it away. So I'm just slowly building it up in the outer portion. Now going back into that light brown shade again, I'm going to focus on making sure that there's no harsh line between the black and that brown shade. Just taking my time. I'm just taking my time blending so that everything just looks seamless, no harsh lines. Next, taking the shimmery rose gold shade in the Pat McGrath palette, and I'm applying that to my inner corner. You can also apply that shade right above your pupil if you feel that this look is too dark or intense for your liking. That would help brighten it up. Now taking a very soft blending brush in the shade Titan from the Jeffree Star palette. Again, you don't have to use this palette. You can use any just neutral tan color. I'm using this for two different things. I'm blending out everything, and I'm also using it to kind of highlight my brow bone. Just applied a little bit of liquid liner to my top lash line, the Collab Beauty mascara on my lashes, and the Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Liner in the shade Boss to my inner waterline. Okay, now to figure out what lip color. So this is how the final look turned out. It proved to be quite a difficult task to find a lipstick that I really liked with this, so I ended up mixing a few things. You could do whatever you want, whatever you like with this look. So I ended up going with this Wet n Wild Mega Catsuit liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Video Vixen. I used that on the outer edges of my lips, and then I went over it with the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick and Anna Nicole, and then finally I topped that with Marc Jacobs Shine a Light lip gloss. So yeah, it took me a while to find a color combination that I was happy with for this, but this is what I ended up doing. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Again, you can look forward to Fun Fridays from me every Friday, and Molecule Mondays, which will start this coming up Monday, in which I'll break down one ingredient in skincare, makeup, or supplements. If you have any recommendations for ingredients that you'd like me to break down for you, let me know in the comments below. I hope you'll subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.